Namaste, dosto! I am Radhika, a pure Brazilian friend, or आपका स्वागत है to our channel. Today, I came to share something really amazing that happened with the channel. Finally, I got monetized, and I want to came here to share this with you and tell how I monetize it, what you need to monetize your channel, and how much I receive it. Well, the first thing that I need to say is that I am on YouTube for 7 months and I monetized it after 3 months with 4,000 subscribers, and my channel is still it's small. I don't receive many views, but I couldn't monetize in 3 months. And in the end of December, I received the most expected letter from YouTube, the letter from Google AdSense. In this letter, we receive a code, and this code you put in your YouTube channel to verify. Each channel has its own code. This is the first step. This letter takes in general less than 1-2 weeks to come to your house, so it's really quickly. When you receive the notification from YouTube that you are able to be a partner and monetize, your channel is going to be analyzed. YouTube is going to check to see if you follow the guidelines, to check if everything is right. And obviously, to monetize, you need to achieve 10,000 hours watched and 1,000 subscribers. So I know that doesn't seem much, but 10,000 hours watched, it's a lot. Some people can achieve this really quickly, others can achieve this in a long time. I already saw people that monetize it in 1 month. Some people say it in 1 week, others more than 2 years. And it's fine. You can upload the video and go viral or grow step by step. Everything's fine. I just want to say don't give up if you are in this path creating content, or if you want to create content, to not give up in YouTube. Be consistent. It's really important. In the beginning, I made the mistake to not upload always. I used to upload without have a plan. Like I always spend days, even weeks without upload anything, and this is really bad because the engagement, the views, when you stop to upload, it falls a lot. So be consistent. In YouTube, being consistent is really important. But now let's talk it's important. If you have 4,000 hours watched, if you have 1K subscribers, if you are following all the rules that YouTube asks, you're going to be able to monetize your channel. But this doesn't mean that you're going to receive quickly, because to receive your money, you need to achieve $100. And this can be quickly or can take time, because which niche is different. Some niches receive more per 1K views, others receive less. As I said, I started to monetizing this channel in the beginning of January of 2025, but I just could achieve $100 in April. So basically, I received in my first payment of YouTube $108. And with the discounts that Google AdSense and YouTube does, I stayed with 99.78. I know some of you are thinking, oh, but this is not too much. But for me, it's not about the value, it's the result of my job. It's good to see that my job is being recognized, that I am receiving a fruit of my work. So I am really happy. Doesn't matter that it's a small amount, but I'm really happy that I received this. And I know if you keep uploading, if you keep improving your content, I know you will be able to monetize too. Just don't give up. Basically, is this. It's not that difficult. The important thing is to keep uploading good content of quality, connect with people, and with time you will be able to see results. I know sometimes it seems difficult, but as I say, consistency is the key. Plan yourself better to upload at least one time per week, and you'll be able to monetize too. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, let's support each other. Or firmly